If you have a large Google Sheet document with lots of data there and you'd like to filter it so that you're able to understand the data, or for whatever reason you need to filter the data to see a certain result, it's very easy to do. And I'm going to show you how to quickly make a filter in Google Sheet. Now, while this is a very small volume of data, it works the same because there are similarities within the data in terms of a certain text. So because of how it is looking right now, we're going to focus on the column B because it has similarities, as you can see, big. But you can imagine if this was a larger data, a lot more columns full with data, then it's easy to filter it. So how do you do that? You first and foremost need to highlight or select that column that you want to filter, right? And keep in mind that once you filter that column, you just want to select a particular column, but it's going to impact the entire sheet with the data because that's how the result will be presented to you. Unless you hide a particular column, then you will not see that particular data. But all you have to do is just select the column that you wish to choose to filter from. So I'm going to take, for example, this column B here. And once you do that, the next thing you want to do is click on data from the top here. So you'll have these many options. Click on data, and here you have the option to create a filter. So you click on create filter, guys. And once you do that, it's going to put the filter icon over that entire column. And if you look, if you click away, you'll still see that there is a filter icon there. And if you click this filter icon now, it's going to show you what is currently there in it. So here it shows you that I have, for example, a word with small, a word with big, and of course, and anything that is there that is blank, it will show as well. But don't worry about it. So let's say I want to choose to see all the content with big, or all the person with that contains big. I can uncheck the ones that I don't want and leave the ones that I want. So for example, big, I can do that and click and OK. And as you can see, it now filters all the content there and don't show me the ones that doesn't contain that. So yeah, I can see right here that there are 3 persons with big, and that's it. At any point in time I want to clear it, I can just click on the filter icon again and just go ahead and choose to select everything within the list and click on OK. And it will bring me back everything once again. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to make a filter in Google Sheets.